The first step, find the video that you want to be a song. Find video. Second step, copy the video link. Copy. The third step, open Google Chrome and share YTMP3. Last step, paste the link and hit download. Hit convert. Before download is convert and hit download. And that tutorial on how to download song from YouTube. Bye and see you next time.